Randy Vance. I'm in Miami on Jeanneau's brand new Leader 10.5 Series 2. This is the downsized version of the 12.5. It still runs on a beautiful Michael Peters hull, but this is a deep V hull designed to give the boat an extra soft, stable ride. Now the boat's ideally designed for dual Yamaha XTO 425s, but it runs beautifully on two 300s just as well. We've got electronic throttle and shift, and that is all integrated into the 425 XTOs. All the instrumentation is in full view. You've got a Yamaha command link gauge to the left, and you've got a Garmin display top center. You've got room for another one, as well as a VHF radio and an audio remote control. The wheel tilts. If you look back, you've got 3 bucket seats with flip-up bolsters. It's very comfortable to drive this boat standing up or sitting down with your foot on the footrest down below. One thing I like about the way the helm is set up is that you can access it from either the starboard side or the port side, like a center console. Now the Leader 10.5 is set up to entertain, and this cockpit is a perfect example of it. The first thing you notice is the summer galley system here, and you're going to love it. Lift up this lid, you've got a grill, a freshwater sink, and you've got a cooler that doubles as a live well if you're a fisherman. And down below, you've got a refrigerator and 3 storage drawers. You've got a large cocktail table here in the center of the cockpit, but here's something cool. When you need more space, the seats fold away. There's dual seats, one on either side. You can drop this cocktail table down and use a filler cushion and make an enormous sun pad of the area. Now this is a great place to take a look at the hard top structure. You've got double pylon stainless steel structures that are super durable. And you've got an electric shore shade here that shades the entire cockpit at the touch of a remote control button. Now the port side terrace is a nice feature. It lowers manually. There's stanchions around it to protect the passengers inboard. You can remove the lines around it to get access to the removable ladder. Now the Leader 10.5 is built for adventure, and whether that means beachcombing, cruising, or water sports to you, they've thought it through. You've got a boarding door back here, there's a tow pylon, and plenty of space to put on skis or wakeboards. There's also a boarding ladder on the port side, in addition to the one on the veranda. With the tow pylon removed, you've got easy access from beam to beam. And you've got a transom shower for rinsing off after a swim. And there's a locker for wet gear. I like the design of the bow area. First of all, you've got this foot pocket area where you can walk through and sit down and enjoy the view over the bow. There are filler cushions to complete the entire lounge, and that's a nice setup. You'll also notice that the walkways are extra deep, the rails are heavy duty to give you nice, safe passage fore and aft. And thanks to this arrangement, you've got safe, easy access to the windlass as well. Now, if you think the top side of the Leader 10.5 is feature-rich, take a look at the salon below. Now, there's 4 easy steps to the salon below, and one of the things that Jeanneau always does so well is give you an enormous amount of living space in the salon. Here you've got your electrical panel, there's a remote control to the Fusion audio system, there's a large refrigerator, then you've got a wastebasket. If you move forward, you've got a microwave with a large storage drawer beneath. Then there's 2 storage drawers ahead of that. You've also got a mini bar, an electric stove, and a stainless steel sink under a nice granite-like surface that's a great look and durable. Now the V-berth here is set up as a dinette area, but you can drop the table down, fill the cushions, you've got an enormous sleeping area for 2 passengers. One of the other things that Jeanneau does so well is give you a large head compartment. It's bright and cheery. As you open the door, you've got a full-length doorway, you're facing the basin, and you've got storage underneath and a portal for light above. There's a heavy-duty acrylic door through which you enter the head compartment area, which doubles as a shower area. Now there's an aft cabin on board, and inside is a twin bed, but you can use filler cushions to make that an enormous double bed for 2 people. I like all the storage cabinets down below, and you can set it up with a television for entertainment. There's also an option for a solid surface door that gives you even more privacy for a master stateroom. There are hanging lockers in both berths. You have privacy curtains as well, and there's snap-down carpet on the veneer sole for luxury. Now the salon can be air conditioned, and this boat is equipped with a diesel gen set as well. There's even air conditioning vents on the dash. Every boat we've been on from Jeanneau has been designed for adventure, and whether you define that as fishing or diving or swimming, water sports or just cruising and hanging out, we found plenty to enthuse those boaters. We also find the boats are safe, they perform well on the power provided, they have lots of nice touches like LED lights, electronic shade here on this boat, and of course the XTO engines from Yamaha. I'm Randy Vance. This is the Jeanneau Leader 10.5 Series 2.